In Symbulator, conductances are not separate elements. Instead, they are simulated as resistors, and their values are given as 1 over the value in Siemens. Let's see an example. In this circuit, we are asked to find voltages V1, V2, and V3. As you can see, we have 4 conductances and 2 current sources. So let's describe this circuit. Let's call the nodes 1, 2, 3, and for the ground, 0. Now let's name the elements. Let me show you a little technique that I have for naming the elements that helps later in remembering the nodes. I'm gonna call this source J10, meaning it is a source between 1 and 0. I'm gonna call this source J32. That helps me remember it's the source between 3 and 2. Now you don't have to do it this way. You can call it JA, JB, J1, J2, whatever. It's just a mnemonic technique. Now, to describe the conductances, we use resistors. R20 is a resistor between 2 and 0. R30, R13, and R12. So now we can describe the circuit. We have a source J10 between 1 and 0 with a value of 2 amperes. We have a source J32 between 3 and 2, value of 3. We have a resistor R20 between 2 and 0, and here's the new concept. The value of that resistor is 1 over the conductance value. It's 4 Siemens, so it's 1 over 4 ohms. And this goes to the definition of what a conductance is. So for R30, it's between 3 and 0, and its value is 1 over 3, because the value is 3 Siemens. For R13, it's between 1 and 3, the value is 1 over 2, and for R12, between 1 and 2, the value is 1. I just put 1 because 1 over 1 is 1, and it's, I mean, you could put 1 over 1, but same thing. So we describe the circuit in the text editor and copy that description, and we're going to paste it inside a string, and we're passing the string as argument for the DC tool. I overclock the emulator and run it. Symbulator results. When it's done, then I can ask for V1, V2, V3, and that's it.